Alright, here's a review of making $4,465. But it doesn't even matter because I broke every single one of my rules. Today was a very bad following your rules kind of day. This was a day I would have blown an account for sure. This was one of those days where I crashed out and just throwing something at the wall and seeing what sticks. So I'm not very proud of this day at all, but I'm going to try to, be honest and show everything. So here we go. So I didn't get on the charts till maybe 10:30 ish. So I saw we did not sweep previous day low, but in a way we kind of did because if we look on the daily chart, well, it's not going to show it, but let me. Tuesday's daily low, I believe, was here because Wednesday starts at 6 p.m. So technically it did sweep previous day low, but I was not aware of that. As that being the previous day low, I thought this was Tuesday's low. But anyways, we trade down. Now keep in mind this is FOMC, so my experience with FOMC is very bad. I get chopped up a lot, so take that what you will. I shouldn't even been trading today, but here's a review. So we come and we do not sweep this low, neither does ES, and we start to get some legs up, and I was thinking, okay, we got a nice market maker model forming. However, we didn't sweep this low, so that was a little uncharacteristic, I think. But anyways, we actually, there was another 15-minute fair value gap right in here that we closed over. So I'm thinking, okay, we're going to take out these accumulation highs right there, and also Tuesday's high, which was I think right here. And so I'm not going to review every trade because a lot of these were just absolutely no thought process, no model, nothing. Like I just buying or selling. So, but I'll review a couple of them. I think I bought two contracts on the 15-second chart that closed over a fair value gap. So, and that was after we formed SMT at these highs, but I was disregarding it because, well, I don't really have a good reason but I was just disregarding it. So, took a loss there. And right when I took that loss, I think that kind of messed me up already because I just wasn't in the right headspace to execute a good solid trade. I was just money hungry. So that already kind of set me off a little bit. But we ended up forming SMT there. We respected this 15-minute SIBI. And we end up closing over this fair value gap right there. And so I took a short to take out these accumulation stops right here. We got it. So my stop loss to break even. We got stopped out of break even. So I think at this point in the day, I was maybe down like $200, something like that, maybe. And I should have stopped there, right? Made a terrible decision to long. But this was a valid model, and we should have just took our $200 loss and called it a day. But I continue to trade because, you know, I can't stand being negative on the day, and that's obviously something that I need to accept. And I cannot be doing this on a real account. I will blow it every single time. But I don't even know. I can't even tell you what the thought process was with all this bull crap. But I think I longed when we inversed this. I mean, that was actually kind of a valid long because we swept these lows here. And I really thought we would continue to go higher all day. But I thought this was kind of valid because we closed past that. But anyways, we ended up selling through it. And then I sold 2 contracts when we closed past this blue, or this fair value. I'm going to turn this off for a second so we can see. When we closed past this, I bought 2 more. And my stop, I didn't really have a stop. I was just going to go until I thought, okay, we're down way too much. Let's just reset the account. So, didn't even set a stop, but ended up working out a little bit because it never closed over this 5-minute fair value gap. And pretty much just held, and then we dropped all the way to my draw on liquidity. So, I guess we got the draw on liquidity right. So that's decent, right? But entries were very bad. Like, why am I entering during lunch? I don't know. Today was a day, if I ended up blowing the paper trading account, if you will, I probably wouldn't even post this video. So, there's some okay things I did today with getting the draw on liquidity correct. But yeah, man, not a great day at all. Really, really bad. But as you can see, just absolutely dumped, which was not expected. But I might do a market review of this later. We can maybe go in and see how today's market price action went. But anyways, just wanted to go and put this video out so I can keep myself accountable. Technically I wouldn't have blown this on a real account because I think I only went to minus 2,000, so that's not enough to blow an account. But we are at plus 6,245. So only 3,000 more dollars until we pass this paper trading eval, if you will. So yeah, that'll do it for this one. I'll